my channel. It's Miss T, and I am back with another V to the I to the D-E-O. That's right, I am back with another video. And today, you guys, we are going to be opening my Fall 2021 FABFITFUN box. Okay, I know y'all. I know the majority of you guys have already opened your box. I am real late to the game with this, okay? But I haven't been opening any beauty boxes over the last couple of months, so yeah, it's time. And Christmas is almost here. Christmas will be here in a couple of weeks, about a month away. And I need to start getting Christmas presents together. So I am going through my boxes trying to figure out what all I have so that I can give, you know, the ladies in my family for the Christmas holidays. That's right. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, is going through this Fall FABFITFUN box. If you have not had a chance yet, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. Go ahead and do that right now. It only takes a second to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell down below so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to know, okay? I don't want y'all to miss out on anything, all right? So let's just go ahead and let's get into this box. First of all, let me say, the box is pretty, but y'all, this is the most banged up box I have ever received from FABFITFUN. And I am here to say that we have not been banging this box up. I have not been banging this box up. It's been right here in the house, just sitting in one spot. The spot that we set it in when it got off the stoop out front is where it's been. So I don't know. I was like, you know, sometimes FABFITFUN will put the boxes inside of a bigger box just so that they'll arrive in better shape. But this box didn't arrive in all that great shape. But it's okay. You know, it's not about the box. Even though sometimes I do use the box for like storage because they're cute, you know, but I won't be using this one for that. This one is going to be going out once we actually get into it. And so right here on the top of the box, y'all, see my box is still packaged, fully packaged. I have my FABFITFUN magazine. And you guys know from watching videos in the past, for those of you who aren't new here, that everything in the box is going to be in here listed with the pricing, okay? So if you are new to my channel and you're just finding out about FABFITFUN, this is what's going on here. For those of you who don't know much about FABFITFUN, I have an annual membership, okay? You get 4 boxes a year. They're seasonal, so that means you get one in winter, spring, summer, and fall. And of course, right now, like I said, I am opening my Fall 2021 box, all right? So the box costs about $49.99 per season. However, you can get an annual membership, which is far cheaper than getting, you know, or paying by the season, okay? So I have an annual membership just to save myself a couple of dollars. And I'll put the price of the annual membership down below so that you guys will know exactly how much it is. But I just want to verify that information before I say it, okay? But anyway, they're giving $15 off of your first FABFITFUN box. This has expired. It expired in October, so I'm not going to even put the code up here. Like I said, majority of you have already opened your boxes. So if you see anything inside of my box that you've already tried and you're kind of like, I don't know about that one, or that's a good one, go ahead and tell me down below. I'd like to know how you like the products. I know a lot of us generally choose the same items. Or you have some of what I have. So, you know, just go ahead and leave me a comment down below letting me know how the product worked out for you. But we're going to pull all this packaging out. They always put this, some type of HelloFresh or something in here. But this here is Green Chef, and it's actually $100 off. Again, this code may be expired too. Yeah, it was like redeemed within 30 days. And of course, 30 days is long gone. So I've never even heard of Green Chef, but that's okay. So let's go right on in here and let's start pulling out what we have. So the first thing I have is a Can y'all see that, y'all? I don't know if y'all can see it too well, but it is a Zoayla eco-friendly comb set. So it's 2 combs up in this box. According to the front of the box, it's 2 combs in here. Let's go ahead and pull those out. I got my scissors today, y'all. I'm not in here cutting myself up with a knife. I have scissors today, trying to be on the safer side. Let's see what kind of combs they are. Oh, okay, y'all. They're actually kind of rat tail combs. Well, this first one that I pulled out is, the thing about it is the tail though isn't too pointy. It's kind of blunt a little bit. But I mean, for all of those natural hair girls or straight hair girls, as you guys know, my hair is locked. This would be good, but my daughter will use it, so it's not a problem. And it also comes with a wide tooth comb, so that's gonna be great for like doing your hair in the shower or whatever, you know. So that's 2 combs in here. Can never go wrong with a comb, right? Put the comb right down in your purse and just have it when you need it, y'all. The next thing that I have in this box is this Pearlie's Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. Y'all see that? Y'all, that's real nice. Oh, I already know that's real nice. Y'all, I almost want to use it myself, but again, this is one of those things I feel like I'm probably going to give to other people. Although I know at Christmas time, my family probably going to be looking at me like, why is she giving us something pumpkin and gingery? It sounds so much like Thanksgiving. So I have so many facial scrubs, y'all. It's unbelievable. So I'm sitting here like, yeah, somebody's just going to have to get it. They just going to have to suffer on through that they're, you know, Thanksgiving holiday item. It's fall, y'all. They don't know. They ain't gonna care. They just gonna be glad to get something nice. It's not like it's expired or anything. The next thing in here is this renewing body cleanser, y'all. Now I am going to keep this one for myself. It is to renew, hydrate. Yeah, it just seems like it's going to be good. It's 88.3% natural. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that for myself just because it's a shower gel. I like to try different shower gels and stuff like that. Bath and Body Works get a lot of my money, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna go and get that try right here in the house. The next thing we have in here is this curl gel. You guys know Tracy Ellis Ross. She has her own hairline. So this is the pattern curl gel, y'all. This is the pattern curl gel. Now, my daughter is natural, so she might actually enjoy using this. I don't know any other ladies in my family who are really natural, like as natural as my daughter and I are. So I'm like, okay, we'll just see where that particular product is going to go. Then we also have, oh, this is Coach. Y'all see that? That is Coach. I don't know what that is, but whatever it is, I know it is nice. So let's go ahead and pull that on out. Oh, y'all, that is a necklace. It's a necklace. And it has some matching earrings, y'all. That's so cute. That's so cute. Although I'm kind of a little bit concerned because I guess I like a little bit of bigger jewelry. So it's like really small, but it'll definitely get worn. And that's nice. Okay. All right. So let's put that over there. And I'm dropping stuff on the floor, as y'all can see. I probably should go through this box a little bit slower, but yeah, it is what it is. We just gonna go on through it. The next thing we have here is this Babe Lash Curler, y'all. Yeah, it's packaged so nice, y'all. I don't necessarily need a lash curler, so I'm not gonna pull it completely out. I could probably find a picture online and kind of show you all what it looks like, so I'll just put it up here. All right. But anyway, I'm going to gift this out to somebody, so I'm not going to unpackage it. That way they'll know that it's completely 100% sanitary and was never used, but I am going to gift that item out. Yeah, let's see, is anything else in here? There is some Dr. Rogers Restore Lip Balm inside of my box. Yeah, okay. Skincare Made Clean. Y'all, we always need a good lip balm around here. My daughter probably is going to need a good lip balm. So I can stick this in like a stocking stuffer for either my daughter or my nieces. So I'm going to put that on over there. And I think that's everything that's in my box, y'all. Let me make sure. No. There is one more thing, y'all. There is a battery-powered toothbrush. This is the black battery-powered toothbrush. Now, y'all, I have a couple of battery-powered toothbrushes. I have literally a couple of battery-powered toothbrushes. And so I don't know if I'm going to be keeping this one for myself or if I'm going to be gifting it to someone in the family. The only problem I can see right offhand is that it only comes with 2 heads. And then after that, you'll be generally going out looking for some more heads. But then again, at the same time, you know, the actual brush itself may not even last that long. It comes with 2 batteries. So yeah, but anyway, y'all, this was my fall FabFitFun box. We can kind of recap through here, but I gotta pick that pattern stuff up off the floor, so I'm not gonna worry about recapping through. I think y'all saw what I got pretty quickly right here. But for you guys who have not liked, commented, or subscribed, go ahead and do that right now, you guys, and I'll see you next time.